Hello, hello everyone. Mega mega love shout out. Welcome, welcome sa ating cover songs for today. Magandang araw sa inyo, magandang gabi, magandang umaga, kung saan man kayo naroon. Ayan. Okay? So, enjoy! Topaz, rumor, pimps are gonna blind me, but I won't feel blue like I always do. 'Cause somewhere is the crowd, there's you. Okay, welcome, welcome. I was sick and tired of everything when I called you last night from Glasgow. Although I eat and sleep and sing, wishing every show was the last show. So imagine I was glad to hear you coming. Suddenly I feel alright. And it's gonna be so different when I'm on the stage tonight. Tonight the super trooper, let's are gonna find me shining like a sun, smiling, having fun, feeling like a number one. Tonight the super trooper pimps are gonna find me, but I won't feel blue like I always do. But somewhere is the crowd, there's you. Enjoy. Facing 20,000 of your friends, how can anyone be so lonely? Part of our success will never end. Still I'm thinking about you only. There are moments when I think I'm going crazy, but it's gonna be alright. Everything will be so different when I'm on the stage tonight. Tonight the super trooper, let's are gonna blind me, shining like the sun, smiling, having fun, feeling like a number one. Tonight the super trooper pimps are gonna blind me, smile, I won't feel blue like I always do. Was somewhere is the crowd, there's you. So I'll be there when you arrive. The sight of you will prove to me I'm still alive. And when you take me in your arms and hold me tight, I know it's gonna mean so much tonight. Tonight the super trooper, let's are gonna find me shining like the sun, smiling, having fun, feeling like a number one. Tonight the super trooper pimps are gonna blind me, smile, I won't feel blue like I always do. But somewhere is the crowd, there's you, shining like the sun, smiling, having fun. So hello, super trooper, let's say gonna find me shining like the sun, feeling like a number one. Ayan, feeling like a number one. Thank you so much sa inyo. Another song. Enjoy. Solitaire by the Carpenters. there was a man, a lonely man, who lost his love through his indifference. A heart that cared, that went unshared until it died within his silence. And solitaire's the only game in town, of every road that takes him down. And by himself it's easy to pretend he'll never love again. And keeping to himself he plays the game. Without her, love is always ends the same. While life goes on around him, everywhere he's playing solitaire. A little hope goes up in smoke, just how it goes without saying. There was a man, a lonely man, who would command the hand he's playing. And solitaire's the only game in town, and every road that takes him down. And by himself it's easy to pretend he'll never love again. And keeping to himself he plays the game. Without her love it always ends the same. While life goes on around him, everywhere he's playing solitaire. And solitaire's the only game in town, and every road that takes him down. While life goes on around him, everywhere he's playing solitaire. Ayan, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Enjoy! Enjoy, enjoy! Ayan, the winner takes it all. By ABBA, of course. Enjoy lang po. I don't wanna talk about things we've gone through, though it's hurting me. Now it's history. I played all my cards, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say, no more wish to play. The winner takes it all, the loser standing small beside a victory. That's her destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belonged there. I figured it made sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'd be strong there. But I was a fool, playing by the rules. The gods made you rise, their minds as cold as ice. Someone way down here loses someone dear. The winner takes it all, the loser has to fall. It's simple and it's plain. Why should I complain? But tell me that you kiss like I used to kiss you. Does it feel the same when he calls your name? Somewhere deep inside, you must know I miss you. But what can I say? Roles must be obeyed. The judges will decide. The lights of me abide. Spectators of the show, always staying low. The game is all a game. A lover or a friend, a big thing or a small, the winner takes it all. I don't wanna talk if it makes you feel sad, and I understand. You've come to shake my hand. I apologize if it makes you feel bad, seeing me so tense, no self-confidence. But you see, the winner takes it all. The winner takes it all. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Enjoy! Welcome sa mga bagong pasok dyan. Paki-subscribe naman po ang inyong host. Okay, thank you so much. The winner takes it all. Diba? Thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang suporta sa ating channel. Helen in Germany, ang singing bird na walang bird. Okay, OPM, classic. Dito ba? Dito lang ba kayo magstay sa akin? By Cole Desma, the singing bird. Dito ba? Oh, dito ba? Dito ba? Oh, dito ba? Ang dapat kong kalagyan na isang solo kong hiram sa ilalim ng araw. Dito ba? kay lalim ng luha, ligaya kay Papa. Dito ba ang solo kong tangka sa ilalim ng araw? Dito ba ako naangkop sa paraiso ng walang kumukuko? Dito ba naroon ang tagumpay, may kapilaiti, sa loob ay may lumbay? Dito ba ang solo kong tangka sa ilalim ng araw, kung saan kay lalim ng lupa, ligaya kay Papa. Dito ba ang solo kong tangka sa ilalim ng araw? Papa, dito ba ang solo kong tangka sa ilalim ng araw? Dito ba ang solo kong tangka sa ilalim ng araw? Dito ba ang solo kong tangka sa ilalim ng araw? Ayan, thank you so much. Dito ba by Colodesma. Okay. Last song natin. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Fernando by ABBA. Can you hear the drums, Fernando? I remember long ago another starry night like this. In the twilight, Fernando, you were hanging to yourself and softly strumming your guitar. I could hear the distant drums and songs, but were coming from afar. They were closer now, Fernando. Every hour, every minute seemed to last eternity. I was so afraid, Fernando. We were young and full of life, and none of us prepared to die. And I'm not ashamed to say the roar of guns and cannons almost made me cry. There was something in the air that night. The stars were bright, Fernando. They were shining there for you and me, for liberty, Fernando. Though we never thought that we could lose, there's no regret. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. Now we're old and gray, Fernando. Since many years I haven't seen a rifle in your hand. Can you hear the drums, Fernando? Do you still recall the frightful night across the Rio Grande? I can see it in your eyes how proud you were to fight for freedom in this land. There was something in the air that night, the stars were bright, Fernando. They were shining there for you and me, for liberty, Fernando. Though we never thought that we could lose, there's no regret. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend, Fernando. There was something in the air that night, the stars were bright, Fernando. They were shining there for you and me, for liberty, Fernando. Though we never thought that we could lose, there's no regret. If I had to do the same again, I would, friend Fernando. Yes, if I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Enjoy. Till the next video na naman natin. Okay, thank you and good night everyone. Good morning sa ibang lugar. I don't know kung nasaan kayo ngayon. Thank you and God bless everyone. See you next time.